How to delete Footlocker account. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to delete your Footlocker account. So please watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Footlocker website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, if you go to your profile account, if you scroll down, there's no actually an option to delete your account, because if you create your account that is already there and you cannot delete it, so the only way to delete it is by requesting a deletion to the Footlocker official service account. So this is how you're going to do it. You can just go to your Gmail and make sure that you use the same email that you used to create your Footlocker account, and you just need to compose an email to this email right here, service@footlocker.com that AU. So please make sure that you input the right email, and after you're that, you can just create a email for them, a message. For example, you make your subject to delete account, and in your description just need to type that you want to remove your account, and you can just click send and send the email. And after that, you can just wait until the Footlocker message you back. As you can see on my screen, so they said that they received my request and they will get back to me as soon as possible. So that's it. So there's no guarantee that they will approve your request, but this is the closest way to remove your account in Footlocker. And yeah, that's it. That's how you do it. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.